Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about how to display details of database record by reading the details dynamically. So which record has to display dynamically? I want to read by using the concept of prepared statement. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the table which is present in the database. For example, select star from account. In my database, there is a simple table called account with the 3 records. Now, from the JDBC application, I just want to read the account number, and if they specified a valid account number, so I want to display the corresponding details. So here we know already how to load the driver and how to establish the connection. Now we need to read. So first we are preparing the query. So the dynamic query we are preparing, select star, all the details, select star from account table, but where, what is the account number? That we don't know because we are reading from the user. So select star from account where account number is question mark. Now, here, after preparing the query, simply we need to make it the prepared statement. Prepared statement PS is equals to connection dot prepare statement of query. By passing the query, we prepared the statement. So now what we have to read? That account number we have to read so that we will display the details. For reading, scanner class object, new scanner of system.in, right? And after that, we just ask system.out.print, enter account number to display the details. We are collecting that account number, scan.next int of. After collecting the account number, then we need to set to the prepared statement. How? ps.set integer is only one is there. For that, we need to set the account number. And this is what type of query? It's not update query. I think, but it's not a DML query. To use execute update, just like a statement interface, right? This is a select query. Select query means use execute query method. Execute query by passing that, execute query on prepared statement. PS dot execute query. Then you will get the result as result set. As a result set, you will get import that result set. Okay. Now, how can you decide that it is present or not? See, if record is present, it has some address because the data will store into this result set. If result set contains null value, because if record is not there, it returns null. Right? So if record is there or not, we are checking. Result dot next. True or false, it will return. Just true or false. If result set dot next is giving the true value, yes, record is there. Else, no such record to display. So giving a simple message, system.out.println error invalid account number. Invalid account number. If it is there, result set dot next is there, then we are getting the details. Anyway, account number is there. In the first column, account number is there. In the second column, name. Res dot get string of second column. Next, balance from third column. Res dot get int of third column. The first column no need to take int because number already taken. Get int of 1 because with the help of number only we did all these things. Right here we set to the first column only, so again not required. After getting the details, just we are printing that details are details, simply number separating with the comma, name and balance. This is the simple way. Now suppose when you are executing this code, if you give the account number, if that is not present, account number is 105, invalid account number, because see 101, 102, 103, only 3 records are there. So if I run the code again, and when I give the valid account number, suppose is a 102. Look at the details, 102 with the name Annie and value is a 6000. The details are printed. This is the simple way of displaying the record by reading the input from the user and with a prepared statement and a result set. Hope you understood. Please practice.